Now, after so much fun of stories, let's learn how to draw graph from given equation y is equal to mx plus b. So for a quick revision, b is the initial value, means at that time input is 0. That means coordinates are 0, b. We can also call it as y-intercept because whenever x is 0, the point will lie on the y-axis, and then next point is slope, which is rise over run. So whenever we will go north or east, we will go positive sign, and south and west negative sign. Always remember, to find slope, we can take only two paths, either vertical path or horizontal path. That will help us to find the slope. Okay, let's see it in our first question. So first question is y is equal to 7 by 2x minus 2. So if I compare with mx plus b, m is 7 by 2. That means rise over run is 7 by 2. Now the point is where to start with. Let's start with initial value. So initial value is minus 2. That means at that particular point input is 0. So x and y coordinates, because input is 0, so 0 and minus 2, and because of this 0 it's the y-intercept, so 0 and minus 2. Here we are. Now next step is, first step is done, we have found our first point, right? So please ignore this dot. Now next point is 7 by 2. We have to go 7 up because both are positive, right? So rise will be 7 up and run will be east 2, because for positive values north and east are the directions. So let's move 7 up. Follow the laser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 5, and then move 2 right from 5 itself, right? 1 and 2. So this is the path we are taking. 5 up, 2 right. Let's draw it. So it's 7 up, 7 up and 2 right. So here we are now. This is our second point. First point is this, second point is this, and let's do like this is the equation of the line. Okay, let's draw it a little bit better. Straight. Here we are. Now you must be thinking, what if you want to take another path? Let's take it. So first let me move 2 towards right hand side. It does not matter which path you are taking. Rise will always be at the top. That means vertical will always be the top and horizontal will always be the bottom. So even if I am moving towards right 2 points, it's not going to affect the rise over run thing. So 2 and 7. So I am taking another path. Even slope is 2 by 7. Now let's see another way. What if I want to go from B to A? That means from this point to this point. Then my path will be a little bit different. Let's see. First I have to come down here and then this value. Now because I am coming down, so it will be a negative value, negative 7, right? And because I am going left, again it is negative 2. So see, rise over run is negative 7 over negative 2. So negative cancelled, 7 by 2. So whatever path you are taking, just try to maintain the proper signs and don't travel anywhere except horizontal and vertical lines. This is the graph. Now I would suggest you to stop the video and try it yourself, and then we are doing it together. Okay. Now this 3 is the initial value. That means 0 and 3 are the coordinates. We have learned enough that every time we do not need to write these steps, we will do it directly. So that is our first point, 0 and 3. Here we are. Now negative 6 is the slope. You will say there is no run here, how will we do it? It's okay, negative 6 can be written as negative 6 by 1. So that means I have to come down. down 6 points and then go right 1 point. So let's come down 6 points. First, let's follow the laser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means after coming 6 points down, I am at -3 now. And from -3, I am coming to 1 point, which is on the right hand side due to positive value. So this is the second point. We just need 2 points to draw the line. So here we are, and okay, not a good line. Let me just, yeah. So this is the graph from the equation. See how these graph stories are helping us to do a better work. Now let's come to question number 3. Y is equal to -5. Oh, there is no mx here. It's okay. Let's write it. Y is equal to 0x minus 5. Definitely the slope is 0. That is why this is missing. So I can say slope is 0. And this is our first point, 0 and -5. I have to start from here. So let's see 0 and -5. That is the y-intercept. Now what should I do? Right? That means it says, let's do one more concept. If we do 0 over some number, literally any number, it's going to be 0, right? So that means this time rise is equal to 0. Rise is equal to 0. And run can be any number. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be any number. So let's see, no rise, but we are running. We are running in both directions. So in this case, our line is parallel to x-axis. So whenever you see an equation where some data is missing, that means the coefficient is 0. And when its slope is 0, try to understand this point. That means rise is 0 and run is going to be any number. So this is our graph, parallel to x-axis. Let's come to last question of the series, of this part. So +1 is initial value. That means 0 and 1 are going to be the coordinates where we will start our graph. 0 and 1. 6 over 5. 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 is here. That's okay. 5 towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am. Here is the graph. Wonderful. Now maybe I have some other value. I can also try another -6 by -5. That will also be 6 by 5. Suppose I do not have the enough space on the graph. So I'll come 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, when you are covering this path, even this point is on the line. So that is the equation of a graph. I hope you understand now how to draw the graphs from the equations. And we will do one more part where we will find the slope from the given graph and write the equation for it. Till then, revise it.